WD-40 rust remover soak. Gigantic box, completely full of rusty springs. These are all in pretty good shape. You see the dark rust. Only the little photo have the orange pitting on it. But we're gonna try this stuff out and see how it works. Maybe set up a time lapse for it.
Yeah, we're gonna try.
Scarlett help film. So let's set up airtight container. Scarlett.
What's the container?
I'm not sure if we need seal around it, but I figured. Can't hurt. Seal this up. But I kind of wonder if the window seal will work to make a cheap container into something airtight enough to be worthwhile. And this is just foam window seal.
Yeah, that's definitely foam. Hello, I am gonna wait until. Stop it. I am gonna wait until.
So this stuff says safe, non-irritating skin, targets the rust, directions, put in a container, emergency object.
That's pretty easy, right?
I kind of want to see how quickly it works. So I was going to take a close-up shot of...
Hey, I'm gonna sit down for a second. Look at that, look at that going in. For sure going in. Looks like normal water.
Stick the whole thing in just
Not a lot.
flat bottom container so that it spreads out.
Tripod?
Plexi tripod is great, so you can get it nice and close down.
It's a lot. It's a lot, pretty much. It's really good. So, should we wear gloves? Should we wear gloves, Daddy?
It says it's not irritating your skin. The plan is just not to touch it anyways. That's what we have this guy.
What's it? Is it derusting?
It says to leave it for 30 minutes minimum. But look how shiny the non-rusty part was. Alright, we're going to switch over to time lapse and see how it goes. Alright, so it's about 6 hours later.
Yes.
Looks
Pretty
a
good.
little teal. It says you can keep reusing the solution basically until it turns black and stops working.
So,
I had a good instinct on the lid because, ugh, this stuff smells.
horrible. And it looks like it worked. It's nothing. It smells disgusting. I don't like it. And that's...
Let's get the light up on it. Like,
I'll take another one. Ew.
this stuff says it is non-irritant to skin. Just as a next to it.
We're just protecting our hands with gloves, just in case.
General precaution. New stuff. Don't know how true it is. And we'll wash our hands again after, but what do you think? Is it working?
Yes, it is.
Alright.
It's working very well.
We'll install these on the trampoline. The only problem is this is 20 springs, and this is...
Ah! 2!
Goodness. This is why the tray's right here. Come on.
Stop.
We got, what, 108 total? So,
Yeah, there's a lot.
6 batches. Alright. Happy printing, guys. Alright. Say bye.
Bye.